Time, distance, speed, calculating speed. Okay, you'll notice on the left hand side we have our speed, distance, time triangle, just to remind us how to work out what we need to calculate speed, and likewise distance and time. In this case we are looking at speed, so let's get straight into it. If you're looking for speed, you would cover that up. You'd be left with d and t, and that's a reminder that speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, let's get straight into an example. Calculate the speed of a marathon runner completing a race in 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so write down the information that we're given. Well, we're told that it's a marathon, and a marathon lasts 26.2 miles. The time that the runner took, 3 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, now before you go any further, you need to convert your hours and minutes solely into hours. There are separate videos to help you revise that, but you should be able to work out that the time is equal to 3.5 hours. Okay, that's all we need to do now to calculate our answer. Speed equals distance divided by time. Distance is 26.2 divided by the time, which is 3.5. Use your calculator, and that will give you an answer of 7.48571. The units for that, well, the units we used for the distance were miles, the time were hours, so the speed is going to be miles per hour. Now, we've got quite a number of decimal places here, so let's round to one decimal place. If the question doesn't say, if it doesn't give you a specific number of decimal places to round to, then a good rule of thumb is 1 or 2. Rounding this to one decimal place, then that makes the answer 7.5 miles per hour. Okay, let's look at another example. So let's imagine that we have a car travelling 400 miles to London. If it takes 5 hours of driving to get there, is the driver exceeding the 70 mile/hour speed limit? Okay, few things to take on board there. First thing is to remember that, of course, speed equals distance divided by time. And then let's take a wee note of the information that we have. Well, the distance, that's equal to 400 miles. And the time, well, the time is equal to 5 hours. That gives us all the information we need to calculate the speed. And remember, the question said, is the driver exceeding the 70 mile/hour speed limit? So in this case, we have to work out our answer for the speed and then say yes or no. So the speed is equal to 400 divided by 5, and that equals 80 miles per hour. Now, normally that would be the end of your question, but because of our question asking, does the driver exceed the speed limit, you have to make a wee note to say that yes, the driver does exceed the speed limit. Thanks for watching.